Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Popcorn and Perspectives with your host Swati Kulkarni. And I have another Hatke movie review of Patna Shukla for you. This 2024 released movie is available on Hotstar. Now, when the theme of the movie is bold and stronger in a social aspect, the story needs to be portrayed in a stronger way, which will create the impact and give a stronger message as well. Such movies usually gives a triumphant feeling to the protagonist that the winning at the end of the movie seems really worthwhile. This current movie has an ambitious plot, a stronger star cast, and feel good factor as well. Despite all of these factors, the movie seems to fail in creating a stronger impact with courtroom drama as well as the journey of the main character Tanvi Shukla aka Patna Shukla. The story begins with a cute family where the wife, Tanvi Shukla, is a lawyer at a district court and husband is a senior engineer. They have a kid who is in grade 3. Everything seems to be going well as Tanvi is handling small matters at the court, is very good chef, and overall the atmosphere at home is happy and contained. One fine day, a girl comes to the court who seeks help from Tanvi and the case starts. We see the case filed by Tanvi which involves bigger fishes in the scam which seemed to be the active scam since many years. Tanvi is strongly handling the case despite the obstacles which has started to spawn in front of her family. Here, the major part of the suspense or secret is already in the open. We know who is the person abusing the power and trying to sabotage the case. The efforts of Tanvi where she is trying to figure a way out for the justice is shown in a somewhat okay manner. However, more impact is missing. It all seems a little superficial thanks to the lower self-confident expression by Tanvi. The case then proceeds with one of the major twists which directly involved the main character herself. However, use of that information into the case is shown in poor way. Yeah. The ending of the picture is not what was anticipated. It lacks in justice which was expected. There is no major takeaway from the picture. Few of the characters like quirky judge who also has OCD traits, Tanvi's father, etc. are played by the strongest actors from the industry. And they have tried their best to support the movie to an extent. However, this courtroom drama is interesting to somewhat extent only. According to me, this movie could be one-time watch for those who like to watch courtroom cases. Comment below if you have seen this movie. I will see you in some other Hatke review of movies and web series. Till then, bye bye.